Hoppers, have you seen my glasses? Oh my gosh, dude. They're on your face. Right, sorry. Hopper, what are we doing here anyway? Remember, we're tutoring that rare Arctic wolf. Rare people are so stupid. But I have rare nerd glasses. So do I, and that doesn't make me rare. Right, okay, let's go. Good job for thinking right. I'm here to tutor you. You needed help on the history of Jamaa? Oh my gosh. Look, it's a nerd. Right. Tutoring. Blah. My parents only make me be tutored because, well, they think that I need to learn the history of Jamaa. But I know all the rare ways, and rare is all that matter. Well, friends matter. Friends, blah. This is a virtual game. Plus, I'm more worried about love, not friends. Are you a scammer? No, of course not. I get my rares from trading. Right, ma'am, sorry. So the history of Jamaa is a very, very long story. And Liza told them the story. The Alphas created a masterpiece called Jamaa. Until Zyos fell, the Phantoms ruled Jamaa. What would the Alphas do? 3 animals huddled together. They were scared for their lives, for the Phantoms were right in front of them, but the Alphas saved them. Cosmo, Greeley, Liza, Peck, and Graham fought the Phantom King. And that is how the Alphas became the Alphas. That's their story. They weren't just some animals chosen. They were chosen for cause. They were chosen because they saved the jammers. And now we have more jammers, more than ever. And that's the history of Jamaa. All the books about the Alphas are here. In Alpha headquarters. This is where they plan their secret missions. I got a key. Nobody else is allowed in here, except the Alpha. This is a phantom that one of the Alphas found. A phantom. And a phantom crystal. Left that still have to be found. A phantom beacon, which Greeley, the stubborn Alpha, found. The mirror feather. Beautiful. Paint seed by Cosmo. And this is the armor that they wear. They keep it in so that they can use it when they're ready to go on phantom fights. It's so awesome. I'm so glad you needed tutoring. It's so awesome to teach people about the history of Jamaa. The Panda Alpha was born with an adventurous spirit and a warm heart. Though even she would admit that she can overly trusting and compassionate at times, she truly believes that good can be found in everyone inside. Cosmo the Koala Alpha has always felt more at home among his plant friends than with other animals. This is partially because of his unique ability to speak with plants and partially because his timid nature keeps him far from most confrontations. Graham the Monkey Alpha is always inventing ways to improve the lives of others. While he often has difficulty focusing on any single topic, he can usually think or invent his way out of almost any situation that he puts his mind to. Sir Gilbert, the Tiger Alpha, has a commanding presence and a mind for strategy. Despite his reputation of being a proud and often stubborn warrior, he longs for the day when peace will finally come to Jamaa. Greeley, the Wolf Alpha, is solitary by nature and the master of stealth. Because he spends most of his time alone in the shadows, even those close to him often have no idea what he is up to, or whether he's telling them the truth. And Peck, the Bunny Alpha, is an outgoing artist that excels in every medium. Her inhabitability to sit still is constantly causing its fair share of trouble. But she is always using her energy to create and spread beauty and cheer throughout the world of Jamaa. And there you have it. All of the alphas are beautiful and handsome and very smart. They're the reason that Jamaa exists today. Oh, Scout, in my opinion, you did a great job of explaining the history of Jamaa. Thanks, Hopper. Pretty much the one who taught me about the history of Jamaa. Oh, it was no biggie. We're friends anyway. Yeah, thanks for being my friend, by the way. I have like barely any friends. I know. Is that the only reason you're my friend? Of course not. You're funny and you're caring and you're sweet. Plus, you're the only one who likes science as much as I do. Well, then I guess that makes us friends. Indeed it does. Thanks. Of course.